Hello everyone. Welcome to this video about the Neville Goddards book, Order Then Wait. This book is about Neville Goddards' unique approach to manifestation and how you can use it to create the life of your dreams. It is based on Neville's philosophy that all of our experiences are created through our thoughts and emotions. He believes that our thoughts are the things that shape our reality and that by changing our thoughts, we can change our lives. The book starts off by discussing the power of imagination and how it can be used to manifest your desires. Neville explains that when you imagine something, you are creating an image in your mind that will become a reality. He encourages the reader to take time to visualize what they want and to focus on the details. He believes that the more vivid the image, the more powerful it will be. The second part of the book focuses on the importance of feelings. Neville explains that the feelings we have about our desires are just as important as the images we create. He believes that in order to manifest our desires, we must be in tune with the feelings that accompany them. He encourages the reader to focus on the feeling of having what they want, and to feel it as if it is already true. The third part of the book is dedicated to the concept of taking action. Neville believes that in order to make our desires come true, we must take steps to make them happen. He encourages the reader to take small steps towards their goal and to be patient with themselves. He also emphasizes the importance of trusting the process and not giving up. The fourth part of the book is about the importance of order then wait. This means that once we have taken action, we must be patient and wait for the results. Neville believes that if we rush the process, it will not be effective. He encourages the reader to be patient and to trust that the universe is working in their favor. Finally, the book ends with a discussion of how to stay motivated and focused on manifesting your desires. Neville encourages the reader to focus on the present moment and to trust that the universe will take care of them. He believes that if we focus on the present, we will be in the right place to manifest our dreams. So, if you're ready to manifest your desires, Order Then Wait is a great book to get started. It's full of valuable advice that you can use and add power to your manifestation practice.